Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain how you can make music at home using just some things from your recycling. So what you need is some empty bottles from your recycling of any size, it doesn't really matter. Something to play your bottles with, so I've just got a teaspoon, could be a fork, a knife, generally better if it's metallic, so kind of made from metal. Some coloured pencils or crayons or chalks and some scrap paper. And don't forget, the other thing you're going to need is water. What you're going to do is you're going to fill up your bottles with water. Now it's up to you how much water you put in each bottle, and you can decide which sound you like best because different amounts of water will make different sounds. So this bottle I've filled just over halfway, and this is the sound it makes. I quite like that sound, but if I didn't, I could pour a bit out. Find that it makes a higher pitched sound, so maybe I prefer that. I'm going to do the same with all of my bottles. Now I've filled all my bottles of water, I'm going to play them individually and see what sounds I've made. Now there were two sounds there that sounded really similar, and I think it was the green bottle and this little jam jar. Quite similar sounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour out some of the water in my jam jar to hopefully make a different sound. Yeah, that's much better because we don't want them to sound the same because it would just be a really boring piece of music. And then you need to start thinking about how you're going to label your bottles. So again, this is up to personal choice. What you're going to do is you're going to get as many pieces of scrap paper for the number of bottles you've got. So I've got 5 bottles, so I'm going to make 5 scraps of paper. Then you can think about how you'd like to label the bottles. You could label them with numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or the other way around, or with colours, or with symbols. And the way to make up a melody really is just to play around with what you've got and see what you think sounds good. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to have a play with my sounds and see what makes good music. So actually for that piece of music I didn't use this one at all, so that's okay. I'll just put that one to the side for now because I'm not using it at the moment. So it should look quite cool when you write it down because you should end up with like a really nice coloured piece of paper, either with your colours or your numbers or your symbols on it. So I'm just going to have a quick go at writing it down now and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is my graphic score. A graphic score is really good for remembering a melody, but the ones we've done don't really help us with the rhythm. So it's great for the melody though, so if you've got a friend who wants to try and play it, they'll probably be able to play the right melody, but obviously they wouldn't know what the rhythm is, so you might have to clap the rhythm to them, for example. So my rhythm goes like this. So I've got 2 lines, they kind of represent 2 phrases of music. And I'm going to now try and play it following my graphic score. Wish me luck. Whew, made it in one. And then what's really nice is you can mix things up, change things around, change your melody, and you might end up making a whole piece of music. Remember to upload your probably much better looking graphic scores and pieces of music to the website. To record it, you can just use a phone. Enjoy! Have fun making music!